Dear students, I am Surumy, your computer application teacher. Today I will teach you our first chapter, that is review on C++. Just like that name, it's a review on C++ programming that you have learned in the last year. Dear students, here I am presenting a small slideshow which will help you to understand in a better way our first chapter of C++. First one, character set, that is also known as letters. A character set is a set of characters a language can identify. It is also known as the alphabet of a programming language. It includes letters, digits, special symbols, and white spaces, etc. Next topic, tokens. Tokens are the fundamental building blocks of a program. There are 5 types of tokens in C++. They include keywords, identifiers, literals, punctuators, and operators. First one, keywords. Keywords convey a special meaning to the compiler. They are also known as reserved words. There are 63 keywords in C++. Example in float, to, etc. Next, identifier. Identifier refers to the name of variable, function, array, class, etc. The identifier assigned to memory location is called a variable. Example A, number 1, DOB, place, etc. Next, rules for naming an identifier. The rules are, first one, keywords cannot be used as identifier. Second one, it must begin with a letter or underscore. Third one, special symbols should not be used. Fourth one, uppercase and lowercase letters are treated separately. Literals. Literals are data items whose value do not change during the execution of a program. There are also called constants. There are 4 types of constants in C++. Integer constants, character constant, floating point constant, string constant. Second, operator. An operator is a symbol used to perform a specific task. The data on which an operator acts upon is called operand. Based on the number of operands, operators are classified into 3: unary, binary, and ternary. Next, operator categories. Arithmetic operators are used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Relational operators are used to compare values, that is, they produce only true or false values, that is 1 or 0. Logical operators allows us to combine two or more conditions. They are and, or, and, not. Type conversion. Type conversion means converting one data type to another data type. There are 2 types. Implicit type conversion, that is automatic type conversion lower type to higher type. Then explicit type conversion. Next, input output operators. The input output operators are used to take input and display output. The operator is used for taking input and the operator is used to display the output. The operator is called extraction or get from operator. The operator is called insertion or put to operator. It is a binary operator. Example, C in A, C out sum, C out result, etc. Next, equal to and double equal to. Assignment operator. The assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. For example, A is equal to 10 assigns a value 10 to A. The symbol equal to assigns a value. But in the case of double equal to, where the symbol double equal to compare 2 values. It is used for comparing 2 values. Next, increment and decrement operators. In C++, there are 2 operators, increment and decrement. The increment operator increases the value by 1 and the decrement operator. Increment and decrement operators. In C++, there are 2 operators, increment and decrement, that is plus plus and minus minus. The increment operator increases the value by 1 and the decrement operator decreases the value by 1. 2 types, prefix increment and decrement operator and postfix increment and decrement operator. Prefix increment and decrement operator is also known as change then use method. Postfix increment and decrement operator is also known as then change method. Control statements. Two type of control statements, that are decision making statements and iteration statements. First one, decision statements. The decision statements are based on a condition. Three type of decision statements: if statement, if else statement, then switch statement. If statement sample. Here a program used to find a number is even or odd. There is a number that is stored in num. Then R is used to find a remainder. So the step R is equal to num mod 2. That is, if R is equal to 0, CO number is even. The remainder is 0, that means the number is even. If else, the number is odd. So this is an example for if statement, if else statement. Next, switch statement. The switch statement is a multi-branching statement, and here the switch statement includes a test. The test expression is checked with the number of. If the digit is 1, the output will Sunday. The digit is 2, the output switch statement. Switch statement, it's a multi-branching statement. There is an expression with the switch statement, and that expression is combined with the number of cases. Here the digit is that expression. First, if we enter a number for day, that day is 1, then the case 1 will be evaluated. That is, Sunday will be the output. If the digit is 2, the Monday will be the output. Digit 3, the output will be Tuesday, and so on. If we enter a digit that is greater than digit 7, then the output will be an invalid number. Next, for statement. The for statement is the most commonly used statement in C++. It is an entry controlled loop. For int I is equal to 1, that is the initialization. Then I less than or is equal to 10 is the test expression. I plus plus is the update expression. So the for loop contains 3 statements in its brackets, and the loop body statements are cout I and cout \n. This is an entry control loop. Next, while statement. The while loop is an entry control loop. While loop is also an entry control loop. The condition is checked first, and if it is true, the loop will be executed. There is a condition in while statement. Here I less than or equal to 10 is the condition. If the condition is true, then the loop body executed. Here the loop body statements are cout I and I is equal to I plus 2. This 2 statement will be executed because here the value of loop control variable I is equal to first 2. Then do while loop. The do while loop executes statement before the expression is tested. It is an exit control loop. Here first the loop body executed, and then the condition is checked. If the condition is true, the loop would be executed. It is an exit control loop. Next, conditional operator. The conditional operator is a ternary operator. That is, it takes 3 operands. The general form is condition, then a true part and a false part. If the condition is true, the true part will be executed, and the condition is false, the false part will be executed. Next, nested loop. A loop placed inside another loop is called a nested loop. That is, here for loop used, there is outer for loop and inner loop. So here 2 for loops are used. So nested loop is a loop placed inside another loop. Next, break and continue. Break statement. The break statement is used to terminate a loop or switch statement. Next, continue. A continue statement is used to continue to the beginning of a loop. When a continue statement is executed in a loop, it skips the remaining statements in the loop and proceeds with the next iteration of the loop. Example. Continue example code. Here a for loop, that is for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10 plus I. Next, loop body. If I equal to 6, then there is a statement continue. That is, if the value of I is equal to 6, then the execution of the for loop continued. Next, go to statement. The go to statement is used for unconditional jump. It transfers the control from one part of the program to another. Its syntax is go to label. Thank you. I hope you all understood. If you have any doubts on my presentation, you can feel free to talk to me. Thank you.